Welcome to Whippoorwill Holler. I'm Miss Lori and this is Mr. Brown. We live in the hills of Arkansas. We love the Lord. We love to cook. And we love to eat. We love to garden. We live a sustainable life. And every once in a while, we like to dance. So welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making biscuits for two and a good hearty breakfast. I always keep plenty of sausage in the freezer, either store-bought or homemade, fresh sausage. I always try to keep plenty. We're going to be making our 2-ingredient easy biscuits for two. I've got a cup of self-rising flour and a half a cup of heavy cream. And you just mix those two ingredients together. If it feels like you need just a little bit more heavy cream, you can put you a couple more little dabs of heavy cream in there till it all comes together.
Is that what you're saying?
And you'll know because it'll make a ball and just all come together good. No rolling in this recipe. We'll just be patting these biscuits out by hand. And I've got my biscuit skillet. I've got bacon grease in my skillet. I've got a little bit of oil on my hands. And I'm just going to pat out how many biscuits in the size that I know that we like to eat. You can make these bigger. You can make big biscuits. You can make even smaller tea biscuits with these. But this just makes a small amount of biscuits. Just the right amount for me and Mr. Brown. Of course, you always want at least one or two left over to grab and eat later in the day for a snack. So my oven is heated at 400 degrees. It'll take about, I don't know, about 15 to 17 minutes. Now another thing that I like to keep in the freezer is plenty of diced potatoes, bell peppers, and onions for a quick supper or breakfast. So we're going to be making a small pan of what we call home-style potatoes. And I'm just going to fill the bottom of my pan up. I've got a little bit of oil on the bottom. This is a non-stick pan. I don't want to overcrowd them because they won't brown up and get crispy like we like them. Need some vitamin C in our diet this morning. Now what I like to do is I like to do my home-style potatoes like I do my hash browns. I just let them get good and brown on the bottom in a single layer before I start stirring them up. Now we got a little bit of grease left over from our sausage. We're going to make a little bit of gravy. You got to have gravy with biscuits. I had to add just a little bit more bacon grease to get me enough grease to make some gravy. Probably about 3 tablespoons. And I'll let this cook for a couple minutes and let that flour cook. Now, if you feel like your gravy's getting too thick, just take it off the heat and add you just a little bit more milk to it. Sometimes it don't take much just to get it back to the consistency that you like. We like plenty of black pepper in our gravy. And a little bit of salt. Our home-style potatoes are done, and this is just a good way to bring it all together. Just break you up a few eggs in there with your potatoes. I've got the heat on low for just a few minutes till the whites cook just a little bit. I'm going to put some black pepper on my eggs. And a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to bring this off of the heat. My oven is still hot from my biscuits cooking, but I turned my oven off. But it's still hot. We're going to put this inside the oven while it's still hot. I'm going to put a lid on it, and I'm just going to let that cook just like that for about 5 minutes. And we'll be ready to eat. And here they are, 5 minutes. Depends on how you like your eggs. So guys, we're going to sit down and eat our breakfast and enjoy the morning. It snowed. It's a pretty snow. Mr. Brown loves a good breakfast. We're eating a little bit of marmalade. This is my last jar of marmalade, y'all. My last jar of my orange marmalade made out of last summer's summer zucchini. And if you'd like to have that recipe, I'll put the link below in the description box. It is some of the best marmalade you'll ever eat. Anybody that made this will tell you that this is wonderful, wonderful marmalade. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. We're going to finish eating our breakfast and do a few things just to maybe mess around the house a little bit, get a few things done. God bless everybody, and have a beautiful, beautiful day.